Welcome my dear students, myself Amit Upadhyay and today we will be learning English and we will be continuing the story that we left in our last class, the peace and harmony. So in our last class we have seen that how the jackal was trying to create gaps and to fill poisons in the minds of the animal living in the forest. Earlier, they used to have fun together, they used to live together. But now, he has turned everything in the different manner by his cunning nature. The moon comes in front of the animals in the form of a sadhu and he tries to help them out. He tries to restore the old friendship that they had earlier. Now, the jackal was planning to kill the sadhu. So, all the animals planned a secret meeting with Sadhu and they set Sadhu Baba to kill the jackal. But what Sadhu Baba said? No, I will not kill jackal, but I will help you in different way. Now, let us continue the story. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. Who said this? The Sadhu Baba says that. What does the jackal do? Jackal goes to the hen's place and he wanted to take some hens for his dinner. He wanted to tear them apart and eat them for his food. What happens then? The Sadhu Baba lived near the house. What he does? He comes to him and he says that don't eat those hens. Instead, make me your meal. What does it mean? The Sadhu Baba offered his own life for the sake of the hens. He said to jackal that eat me, don't eat these hens. Now after that what happens? The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. That's what the jackal wanted. The jackal wanted that he should get even one chance and he will be killing the sadhu because sadhu was ruining his whole plan and he got this chance. So what he does, he held the sadhu in its teeth and he dragged him into the village. So what happens after that? Let us see. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. How cruel that jackal was. He has torn the sadhu's body into the pieces. He has taken all the parts of his body apart and he has eaten in all. What happened after that? The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. So all the animals were very disappointed. They were very angry on jackal. They wanted to kill him at that moment itself because the sadhu was near and dear to them. So what happened? They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Again, at the same time, they were angry and they were afraid too. Why they were afraid? They are afraid that again the jackal will appear tomorrow and he will eat up the animals. Slowly, the whole jungle will become empty. This jungle will become no animal's land. So this was the reason of the fear for the animals. What happened next is Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of Jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds, insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. So, sudden, the things start changing. The animals hear a strange sound coming from far around. They run to that place, and what they see, it surprises them. What do they see? They see that the jackal's stomach is growing bigger and bigger and bigger. And it expands till it bursts. And who was there in his stomach? He has eaten the sadhu, and now the sadhu is growing his size in the stomach of the jackal. Suddenly, the stomach of jackal bursts, and Sadhu Baba appears. What Sadhu Baba says? May my animal, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. The Sadhu gives blessing to the animals. He says that all the animals, birds and insects, they may live in peace and harmony. There should not be any fences, there should not be any boundaries, there should not be any fear. Everybody should live and flourish together in this forest. May you sing and dance once again, remember me and not be afraid. You should always sing and dance together. You should always live your life delightfully together with each other. And you should always remember me. And with doing that, lose all your fear. You need not to be afraid until I am here with you. So, saying this, when they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So, till the date, the moon was very sad. That's why the brightness of moon was lost. But as soon as the sadhu killed the jackal and the happiness was back again, the peace and harmony was back again to the forest, the moon shined brightly and the milk colored light of the moon spread throughout the forest. So this thing happened, and the animal once again started to roam, sing and sleep in the peace. Again the happiness of the jungle was restored, and again they used to live happily as they used to live before. They broke down the fences which they have built. Whatever the things they have done, they have immediately destroyed them. They torn down the fences. Tiger started enjoying with the deers, and peacock were doing the praise of the mynas, and even the elephants also enjoyed with squirrels and rabbits. So this is how the happiness of forest returned, and the poor jackal was killed due to his bad playings. So what happened in the end? They invited the moon and the star for their cultural evenings. As we already knew that they had musical evenings very often. So they invited their best friend and guests, moon and the stars, for their musical evenings. And this is the happy ending of our story. So I hope you have enjoyed the story, and we have learned so many things, so many morals from the story. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we always should live in peace and harmony. If anyone tries to break the peacefulness and the togetherness, he will perish. He will never more existing. The same thing happens with the jackal. So I hope you have enjoyed the story. Now, let us look at the glossary of the chapter. These are the important words we have came through across in the chapter. Now we will be knowing the meaning of them. So, the first word is gymnastics. What is meaning of gymnastics? Gymnastic means physical exercise. The next word is property. Property means objects or things owned by somebody. Objects or things owned by somebody. Next word is woe. Woe means extreme sadness. Extreme sadness. Our next word is harmony. What is it? Harmony. Harmony means a state of living together peacefully. A state of living together peacefully. Now, how many words do we have now? We have 2 more words to go. I have a feeling that you are understanding it very well. The next word is unanimously. Unanimously. The meaning of the word unanimously is unitedly. What does it mean? Unitedly. Next word is bloat. The meaning of word bloat is become bigger and bigger. Become bigger and bigger. So, these were the important words that we came across within the chapter. I hope you have a clarity about them. Now, we are going to look at the exercise of this lesson. So, we have answered the following questions. I think you people love to answer the questions related to this chapter. Let us enjoy the exercise too, like we enjoyed the story. Here we go. The first question it is, It says that, how were the animals before the jackal entered the forest? How were the animals before the jackal entered the forest? And pick out the words which describe their mood. So this is our question. How were the animals before the jackal entered the forest? Pick out the words which describe their mood. As we know that in the starting of a story, we came to know that every animal lived in peace and harmony, and they were all happy together. They used to enjoy together, they used to eat and sleep together, and they used to have musical evening together. They used to invite moons and stars. So they lived a very happy life before the jackal entered the forest. So what are the words in the chapter which explain about the mood? Let us look at them. Go to the first paragraph of the chapter and look at the things look at the words which describe their mood. So what was the mood? The first line says that they roamed about the jungle. First is, they all lived together happily. So what is the first word which describes their mood? Happily. Okay. The next word which describes their mood is, they roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. So what is the next word? They were fearless, without any fear. So this is the second word which tells that they were fearlessly roaming around the jungle and living happily. What else is there? The peacocks were very proud of their dances and admired the melodious song of cuckoos. So they had proud of their voice. So the word proud. And what else is the word? They admired the voice of the maynas. So admire. Elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. So the mood shows enjoyed. So these are the words which show the mood of the animals. There are more words. You can find it out within the lesson. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Now, our next question is, what happened to the animals after the jackal came to the forest? The question says that, what happened So the jackal sorry, my bad. What happened to animals after the jackal came to the forest? So, as we all know that, what did the jackal do after entering to the forest? His first motive was to poison the minds of the animals so that they start hating each other and he will get a chance to hunt the smaller animals for his food. That was only the motive of the jackal. So, when the jackal entered to the forest, animals started staying away from each other. They made fences around their properties. They started moving into the groups. They stopped eating and sleeping together. All the evening events that they used to have, evening parties, they all stopped. So these things happened after the jackal came into the forest. I hope you have understood this. Let us move to the next question. The next question says that, what was the jackal's plan? How did it succeed? What was the jackal's plan? How did it succeed? Don't you know the jackal's plan? I think you are very clever. You always know that. Jackal's plan was to divide and rule. He wanted to create the misunderstanding between all the animals. And as every animal will be divided, he will be having an advantage that he will find the weaker animals lonely and he can attack them to satisfy his hunger needs and he can have a good supper. So that was the jackal's plan. And it became successful because he went to each and every animal and told them against the other animal. It created the misunderstanding and they started living apart. They created fences around their properties. They started moving in groups. Even when the jackal hunted the weaker animals and smaller animals, nobody came to help them. So, this is how the jackal's plan became successful. Enjoying it? Let's move to the next question. Let us look at the next question we have. The fourth question says that, what did the animals do to check the jackal's able design? What did the animals do to check jackal's evil design. Try to remember the story. They kept the hen where the Sadhu Baba used to live. And the same night, the jackal came to take few hens for his supper, for his dinner. What happened? The Sadhu came and said that, don't kill them. Instead, take me for your supper. And the jackal was looking for this chance. He has taken the Sadhu far from their place and he has tore him apart into pieces. This is how the animals came to know that the jackal is very evil to them. He is dividing them. The next question we have, now we will see. The next question says that, how was the moon disguised? How was the moon disguised? Why did he choose that form? So, the question says, how was the moon disguised? Why did he choose that form? The question means, how did the moon appear in front of the animals? And why did he choose that form? So, we know that the moon took the form of a sadhu in order to appear in front of animals. Why did he choose that form? Because every animal has respect for the sadhu. They think that the sadhu can help them out to come out of this situation. That is why they told him all their problems and all their misunderstandings which were existing among all the animals. So this was how the moon appeared in front of the animals and they told him their problems and shared what misunderstandings were going on, and in return the moon has helped them by destroying the jackal. So this was the answer of this question. The next question we have, we will see now. The next question is, why did the sadhu ask the jackal to take him for his meal? Now we will see this question in our next session. I hope you have understood the whole thing that we have discussed today. I suggest you to practice and work hard. We will discuss the remaining exercise in our next class. Till then, enjoy. Goodbye.